Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a movie explained YouTube channel. First, identify your unique niche within movie explanations, perhaps focusing on a specific genre like psychological thrillers or animated films. This helps you stand out and build a loyal viewership. Next, thoroughly research existing successful channels to grasp their content structure, pacing, and audience interaction. Finally, outline your initial video ideas, aiming for at least 5 to 10 concepts to ensure a consistent content pipeline from the start. Now, let's talk about crafting your narrative. A well-structured script is the backbone of any great explanation video. Break down the movie's plot, character motivations, and underlying themes into digestible segments. Aim for a script that translates into a video length of around 5 to 8 minutes, keeping viewers engaged without overwhelming them. When recording your voiceover, find a quiet space and use a decent microphone to ensure your audio is clear and professional, making your explanations easy to follow. Moving on to the visual aspect, editing is where your explanation truly comes alive. Integrate relevant movie clips, high-quality still images, and clear on-screen text to visually support your narrative. Keep the pace dynamic with quick cuts and smooth transitions to maintain viewer engagement from start to finish. Don't forget the power of a compelling thumbnail. Design custom, eye-catching images that accurately reflect your video's content, encouraging more people to click and watch. Finally, let's discuss publishing and growing your channel. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to ensure your content is easily discoverable through search. Share your videos across various social media platforms and participate in online communities where your target audience gathers. Most importantly, actively engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking questions. This builds a loyal community and encourages repeat viewership, helping your channel flourish over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.